Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to adjust mirrors in Volkswagen Passat. Sit upright, set your seat and steering wheel, then select left mirror control. Make small, deliberate taps to move the glass until you see a sliver of your car plus a wide lane view. Check blind spots and repeat the same steps for the right mirror. Make final tweaks while parked to ensure safety. Start with the left mirror while seated in your normal driving posture and looking straight ahead. Move the glass until a narrow edge of your car is visible and the adjacent lane fills most of the field. Keep the horizon centered to avoid too much sky or road. Sit back, glance to the left, and confirm you now see vehicles approaching in the adjacent lane without leaning. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes tidying while you focus on car care so easy, with voice control and smart mapping that saves time. It even hums while you tweak mirrors, which feels oddly satisfying. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Adjust the right mirror just like the left, but aim for a little rear quarter and a broad view of the right lane. Make tiny movements to reduce blind spots when merging or overtaking. Test with a passenger or by observing a following car to ensure coverage is consistent. Remember to use manual fold or heated mirror functions in tight spaces or cold weather to keep visibility clear and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.